welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video that I am not very comfortable filming because it involves being in front of the camera without makeup, but it's okay. I have learned to be comfortable with my skin, and you should too, and that is the main reason I'm doing this. You should never feel that your skin is not good enough, and you should not feel the need to do makeup just to be more secure about your skin, which is a very great thing that makeup does. But you should be confident enough in your skin that you can just strut out without makeup and still feel confident. So yeah, this is my feel good makeup look. I'm loving this dark berry lip, and every time I wear it I get a lot of questions. I thought, what, I'm gonna film a video. So yeah, what are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to show you guys what skincare I have used on my face. And I'm sorry, I'll be coughing throughout this video, so just bear with me. Okay, so I washed my face with my Himalayan Neem face wash. That's my favorite face wash ever. And I also scrubbed it today with the Plum Chamomile. I'll link everything in the bottom bar, but it's a Plum scrub. It's very mild and I do it like twice a week, and I think it works really well for me. And after that I use this Kaya Acne Free Purifying Toner. Yeah, I think this is the only toner I have used that I've liked. I have tried a Face Shop one. I did not like that. I think that broke me out. So yeah. After that I used my BIotique Visibly Ageless Serum. It is amazing. I feel it has helped so much with my acne scars. It really helps in depigmentation. So after that, for my moisturizer, I use the Plum Hello Aloe Caring Day moisturizer. I really like it. It's lightweight. It moisturizes really well. Yeah. And then I used the BIotique Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. It's really nice, and yeah, just works. This video is not sponsored by Plum or by BIotique, just saying. Okay, so let's get started. I have done all of that and it's been quite some time. I feel like in winters my skin gets really dry even after like doing all that. So I think I need something extra. What I have been loving is I've been using a face oil for my face. I am using this BIotique Rose Gold oil, and I think it is like doing wonders. And I felt like if I use an oil then my makeup would melt off, but it's not happening. So I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna do my brows. I used the Maybelline Nudes palette, which was broken, and I've used most of the shades up, but I still manage. I use this dark brown and black, mostly black, to just fill in my brows. get on with blush. This is my favorite blush. It is the Nykaa Cheeky Blush Duo. Get on with highlighter. This is the new Glam Glow palette. This was gifted to me very kindly, and I'm gonna just look at it. Just look at it. It's gorgeous. I mean, this is epic, guys. So I like to be very precise when it comes to my highlighter. Hence, I don't use a big fan brush. I think I just wouldn't know what I'm doing, so I just take the small little eyeshadow. I think it's an eyeshadow brush. I take it, I dab it, so make sure you do not put it here if you have large pores, otherwise it's just gonna highlight those pores because, well, it's a highlighter. So So this is my wintry makeup look that I've been wearing a lot, and I know I'll be wearing a lot for the next 2 winter months. So yeah.